Hey Dustin, this is Tyler Vaughn. Wanted to shoot this quick video for you. Hopefully you got a chance to look over my resume when I brought it in to you yesterday. But alongside of the digital marketing side that I mentioned to you about, the name of my company is Uplift Atlanta SEO. And so what we would be doing is coming in, kind of redoing your site, make it more inviting, more user friendly, even mobile compatible, um, and then be able to rank you number one here in the map packs or in the organic listings down here. And so I just did a search for custom furniture Atlanta, and that's bringing in 170 searches per month. Custom woodworking Atlanta, 70 searches per month. And then custom cabinets Atlanta, 140 searches per month. So you could easily be number one here in the map packs and number one in organic listings. Just need to do some proper SEO and website development. So jumping into it, I'm just going to talk to you about three things that you could do for your site to make you number one across Google. And that's first off going with content. You need to have at least 1,500 words on your front page to be optimized by Google. And I did a quick word count on you guys, and you guys have 188 words. So a lot more room there for improvement to get that 1,500 mark. And that's going to get you closer to being ranked number one on Google. And so next, going to talk about citations. And what citations do is help you get found here in the map pack. So doing a quick search on you guys. So I just typed your name in a tool I like to use called WhiteSpark. And it shows you guys have 24 citations. And so your number one competition has 94. And so you need to be having at least 100 to 200 more citations than them to be beating them out by a landslide. And so what I like about WhiteSpark is you could come in, I know they're blurred right now, but you could come in and click here and it'll say view sources, and you could list out all of the sources that each one of your competitors is using, and then go in and basically put your name of your business, your address, and your phone number in, and kind of steal that citation for yourself. And that'll help you get closer to beating them by 100 or 200. And so the last thing I wanted to talk to you about is backlinks, aka link juice. And so simply put, link juice works like site A is pointing to site B. Therefore, site A is acting like link juice, giving site B authority. So it's kind of like a popularity contest in Google's eyes, but it's a little more tricky than that because you need to have relevant sites pointing back to you. So seeing that you guys, do custom furniture and woodworking, you need to have sites that are relative to woodworking and furniture rather than, like a Pizza Hut linking back to you, because you guys aren't really slinging pizzas day in and day out. So doing a search in a tool I like to use, Ahrefs, it shows us how many backlinks that you guys have. So I'll just put your your website in here, and it shows that you have 5 backlinks, which is just a little bit of link juice. And you need to be having at least 200 to 300 more backlinks than your competition. So doing a quick search on your number one competition, Turner Custom Furniture, they have 172 backlinks. So a good bit of link juice there, but still very easily beatable. And the same as WhiteSpark, as with Ahrefs, you can click here on this 172, and it'll bring up all of their backlinks. You can go in and steal each one of those for yourself, and that'll bring you way past that 200 to 300 mark of beating them. So in closing, we talked about content. You guys need to have at least 1,500 words on that front page to be optimized. Citations that help you get ranked in the map pack. Need to have at least 100 to 200 more than your competition. And then backlinks. Need to have 200 to 300 more backlinks than your competition to have a lot of link juice in Google's eyes. So You could take this information, implement it into your digital marketing strategy, and I guarantee you will be number one across all of these searches in the map packs and organics, um, custom woodworking, custom furniture, and custom cabinets. All very easily attainable to be number one. Just need to implement those things. So you could just give me a call if you want to take the effective route and save yourself some time there on the back end. Or if you want to sit down and discuss how I could come aboard the team and basically learn about how this business works, then please feel free to give me a call. My number is 678-510-9817. Again, 678-510-9817. Looking forward to hearing from you, Dustin. Thanks.